Hello, students. Now, here we are studying economics. This subject is first time introduced in your class. You are first time going to study economics, in which we discuss about the how people earn money or their living by doing different kind of activities in the economy. Here, with the story of a village, Palampur, we are going to understand how the people of this village earn their living by farming, dairy, and other manufacturing and small trading and transport activity. Students, all your parents are doing different kind of economic activities for earning living. Some of your parents may be doing job where they get salaries, and that salary they will spend on your education and other and providing other facilities, right? Like this, people of Palampur, mostly in a village, people are engaged in farming for earning their living, right? Student, first of all, whatever things you are using in your family, these things are produced in some kind of industries, right? Everything you are using, that's why you are called consumer. You consume them for satisfying your need, but you are not preparing them, you are not producing them at home. Some industries are producing for you, and on payment basis you are purchasing them from market. So many things we are using in our daily life, these are produced in some industries. So here I am going to tell you the main important factors of production. For production, for economic activities, a student will require four factors: land, labor, physical capital, and human capital. These things always we require. Land is the most important thing which we require for production, for all kind of production. On land, we include inland natural resources, water, mineral, forest, mountain, etc. These are the important resource for factor for production. Second, labor. With the help of labor, they work in production units, and with their help of workers, production activities are being undertaken to produce different things. So labor is a very important thing. Second is physical capital, which are used for production. There are two kind of physical capitals. One is fixed capital, includes tools and machines which are used again and again in the production activities. Second kind of physical capital is working capital, right? Raw material and cash in hand, these two kind of working capital which are used one time in production, such as weaver need yarn for weaving cloth, potter need clay as a raw material. So these are called working capital. And very important fourth requirement and factor of production is human capital. Human capital is very important, which is known as enterprise, which include, which combine all educated people, skillful people, healthy workforce. They bring all together land, labor, capital, and make the production possible. These are called factors of production, right, student? We are talking about a village where farming is the most important economic activity in Palampur. Here is a land area nearby 75% people earn their living by farming because it is a village. That's why it's the most important economical activity. By doing agriculture, people earn their living. Land area is fixed in village Palampur. Now people are doing agriculture. This is, I told you first, it's an well developed village where electricity is available, where two primary school are available, one high school, one primary health center run by government, one private dispensary is available here. So it is well connected by road. So it's a very good, we could say, a village. Second, student, farming is done in different seasons. In Kharif season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. They cultivate potato in Rabi season. So as well as they grow sugarcane, wheat in Rabi season. So farmers are growing sugarcane, wheat for self consumption, as well as they sell if something produced more by them. Okay. Now Palampur village where electricity is available. So this village having well developed electric run tube wells for irrigation. That's why production is good here. Earlier in the past, when there was no electricity, Persian wheels were used for irrigation, for drawing water from the wells. Okay. Now two wells are using for irrigation. Here, to increase the production, multiple cropping on a same lane at a one time, more than one crop is grown. This is called multiple cropping for taking more production. And modern methods are used. Modern methods means HYB seeds are used and modern tools are used. Modern tools are chemical fertilizers, irrigation facilities. Modern implements are used in doing agriculture. So student, it's enough in the first part. I'll continue this chapter in part second. Thank you very much.